Yo, what is going on, guys? I am back with a brand new updated Rocket League codes video for 2026. I've actually been searching for quite a few hours, testing loads of different redeem codes for Rocket League. Most of the codes are either expired or they give you very little resources. I've actually managed to find some working codes for Rocket League that's going to get you not only all cars unlocked, but you can also get tons of free credits and even get free exotic items. Now, these are definitely the best Rocket League redeem codes, and yeah, you're definitely going to want to check out the codes that I'm going to show you in this video. So before I show you how to get these codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel, because I plan on making more Rocket League codes videos for updates when they're needed. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, as you can see. I'm using Safari, but yeah, you can use whatever mobile and internet. But basically, go to www.coldcoupons.com. So it is very important you spell it correctly. COLDCOUPONS, Cold Coupons. And what this is going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to a awesome game code website. I've been using these for the past year. I've used these for tons of different mobile games and also just console games as well. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top and type in Rocket League. And it's going to bring you to this codes page here. Now, there are 5 different redeem codes at the time of recording, and these are all verified working. And as you can see, they're highly rated and popular codes. So scroll down, you can get specific cars, you can unlock all exotic items, you can get all cars for free, you can get 25,000 free credits. So for this example, I'm just going to select the credits code. I have already done this, and it does limit 1 code per person, because as you can see, these are limited codes. I mean, there is hundreds of them, but they are limited still. So it does limit 1 code per user. I believe it's 1 code per day. So I've already done it today, so I won't be able to get another one. But basically what this is going to do, it's going to allocate you a code here, and it says your code is ready, and essentially you need to unlock your Rocket League code, and this basically confirms you as a real person. So yeah, I've already done it, so I won't do it again, guys. So yeah, but basically what you need to do is click on get full code, and you're going to see a new screen that tells you how to unlock your Rocket League code. It will take you about 5 minutes. I had to complete a couple of tasks, and they were really simple things like playing mobile games and doing surveys and stuff like that. Just follow the instructions, and if you do those, your Rocket League code will be revealed, and you literally grab it, redeem it in the settings page. And yeah, that is going to get you free credits. You can get all cars unlocked, and you can get all exotic items as well. So go to Cold Coupons, guys, and if you need any help getting your Rocket League redeem codes, let me know. But it is pretty easy if you follow all of the instructions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.